Hey guys, check this out. I want to introduce you to our brand new burner POP display. We just designed it. This is our first prototype. It's a three-sided display that features all of our most popular burners. And at this point, we're about to put it into production and we're looking for some pre-orders. At the Casual Show, we've written up about 240 orders and we're hoping to get about 500 of these done by the end of the year. So if you want one, this piece could be yours for only $595. It's a one-time thing. We're making an investment to get it in your showroom so you can sell more of our burners. But let me show you a little bit about what's on this thing. So this side right here features our brand new CSA burner system. It's available in rectangle and linear and in rounds. As you can see on the display, it's being featured in just the linear that kind of shows off the features of the thing. So on the second side of the display, it features two of our other most popular burners. These are our rectangular drop-ins and our linear drop-ins. We're showing off that we do it in a stainless steel and an oil rub bronze. Our stainless steel rectangular drop-in burners for the last 5 or 6 years have been our most popular selling burners for the DIY fire pit installer. The third side of our POP burner display features an 18-inch ring, a 12-inch ring, a hose kit, and an H burner. So you could get this entire display for $595. The burners on this alone have a retail value of over $2,500. So this is a one-time deal. If you can get your orders in by the end of the month, we're going to go ahead and put this into production, and we're hoping to get these on your showroom by the end of the year.